Hi, it's Rox, owner of Sugarwell. Welcome to my channel. Today I thought I'd make some whipped body butter. Now, I know there are hundreds of videos on making whipped body butter on YouTube, but I haven't done one, so here goes. Keeping whipped body butter from melting in hot weather is tricky, and I'm not really going to address that here. All I'll say is that emulsified body butter is the way to go if you want a body butter that stays whipped in hot weather. But if you prefer a natural anhydrous formula, that means there's no water in it, just oils and butters. This one does contain two natural fatty ingredients that are great in skin products. Both have higher melting temperatures that help prevent melting in warmer weather. I'm only making a 200 gram batch for the purposes of this video, but you can just scale it up if you want to make more. So here I've got some lovely shea butter and a bit of yummy cocoa butter, both of which are fantastic for dry skin. To help these, I'm adding stearic acid and cetyl alcohol. These are what will help keep your butter from melting in warmer weather. We want some liquid oils that are great for skin too, so I'm using hemp oil and watermelon seed oil. Both hemp oil and watermelon seed oil have anti-aging properties, and I'm getting on, so that's why I'm using these particular oils. However, you can use whatever oils suit your own skin, as long as they're liquid oils, because the liquid oils are what help make the body butter spreadable and have a lighter skin feel. So all our oily ingredients go into the same bowl, and then we need to pop them into a double boiler to melt down. Now, shea butter is notorious for getting gritty if you overheat it, so I just want these oils to get to the point where the hard fats have only just melted, and then take them off the heat immediately. Once the oils have melted, I like to give them a bit of a stir and blend, and then I'm just going to pop this bowl in the fridge for a while to let the oils cool down and solidify. It's probably taken about an hour and a half for these oils to solidify, but they have done. So now it's time to whip them up, and in total I probably whip these for about 10 minutes. Once my oils are voluptuously creamy, I add in some kaolin clay, a small amount of vitamin E to help preserve the oils, and some essential oil. Here I'm using holy leaf oil, which I think smells like a cross between rose and lavender. It smells gorgeous. It's a very light, airy scent. So now I'm just going to whip those in again until the butter reaches that soft peak stage, and I've added a little bit of bronze mica, but only because I thought it might make the finished body butter show up better on camera. Now I'm going to attempt something I'm not great at: piping. I find this difficult because of my arthritis and the height of the work surface, and also because there's only one place I can put the camera in this small space I have to work in. You're going to see more of my hands than my actual piping, which might be a blessing, but I hope you get the picture. So you can see that it's piped nicely, or would have done if I hadn't been doing it, and it's keeping its shape in the jar. And that's it. I'm off to get the chainsaw out to do some extreme gardening. See you later.